Hi, Hunter. We are just starting, and see his face already? It's double lines, panting. Hunter, thank you. He's doing what he's supposed to get cookies. Okay, Hunter, go. Barney, Wiley. But his needs are not met, and guess what? He puked in my car this morning. He puked in the back of the truck with everybody else. So I have to watch to see how he feels. So we have to go very slow today. Because my crazy boy, go this way. See how, ooh, he almost hit me with the tree. See how he's gonna feel with the group. Go ahead. Good, let's go. Whoa. So I have to do everything else fairly normal. Watch where everybody else goes potty. And we'll see how he either avoids, runs away, hangs out by himself, or overly, thank you, Barney, or overly is interested in what the dogs are doing. And if they're going to be really annoying, so let's start this over. Hunter's already kind of amped up. What's going to happen? This is the beginning of our walk. Thank you. Thank you. Is he going to go run away like he used to? Is he going to be overwhelming to the other dogs? Let's go. Is he going to avoid all the other dogs? He's already got white foam on his chin. He already had water. Him and Belle both drank water since I got out of the car. What is he going to do? He can't even think straight right now. This is part of the problem. If you watch how he's actually walking and trying to smell and stuff. Belle, leave him alone, please. Ooh. Thank you. So I know his first thing he's always going to do is go to the bathroom. I got you, Hunter. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm not going to have any high value games like ball, because I don't want him not finishing what he has to do. Good job, Hunter. Calmly reward for behaviors you want repeated. See how he took the treat and left? Something else is obviously more important. You don't know what that is. Thank you. Thank you. So I always wait. When dogs have to go to the bathroom, I don't just bring the ball out. I wait. More glass. Let them go. Let them take care of the things they have to take care of. Oh, you found a baby bird. Uh-oh. Oh no. Hunter, out. Thank you. Uh-oh. We got all kinds of baby birds. Belle, turn around, please. Wow, there's a lot of baby birds here. Where did he go? Thank you. I see him. I'm sorry, buddy. Out. I see him. That's good. Thank you. Hunter, did you find something? So we have a nest up here somewhere. Belle! Over here, please. She's over there behind those groups of trees. So Hunter knows where there's a baby bird at. Let's chase the baby bird up into there. Let him escape to there. Thank you. But he's still panting. Well, this is only 5 minutes in. Hunter. Let him express. Hunter. I see it. Good, leave it. Are you done, Belle? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Belle. Now I've got a group of dogs. I see a couple birds flying right above my head. These are small birds too. A couple more here. So we're apparently in the nest. Hunter, is that exciting? Thank you. So I'm going to protect this area where that baby bird's at so I know it's gone. I really don't think it's gone. But I know I've pissed off some other birds over here. See, they're all flying over here. Oh, crap. Thank you, Hunter. Out. Hunter, leave it. Thank you. Ooh, they burrow. Okay, that makes sense. Belle, leave it, please. Good, leave it. So apparently, these birds don't. That's why they're so interested in that spot, because these guys burrow. Belle, leave it. Good, leave it, Belle. Thank you. Oh, this is going to be fun. I got some pissed off parents. That's 2 birds. So, all right, you guys, come on. Belle, leave it alone. Let's go play. So we're going to stay over here. Thank you. Ready? Hunter, leave it, please. Ready, Wiley? Which one? Whoa. Hunter, ready? Belle, come on. Hunter, come here. Which one? You want that one? Whoa. Thank you, Belle. I'm not interested. So Belle and I always play this game where she's used to chasing gophers, where I show interest in them. Thank you, Barney. Oops, sorry, Belle. Wiley, can I have it? Thank you, Wiley. Look at that. 6 minutes in, he's already panting. Where's your ball, Hunter? Ready, Wiley? Did you find it, Belle? Can I see it? Stop! Belle! No more. We're done. Let's go play. Go get your friends. Thank you, Wiley. Can I have it? Hunter, leave it. So now we got to redirect. Thank you, Hunter. Thank you, Wiley. Hunter. Wiley. Thank you, Belle. Hunter. Ready? There's another one over there. Ready, Hunter? Come on. Thank you, Wiley. Go get it. Thank you, Barney. You good, Hunter? Thank you, Belle. Thank you, Wiley. Go get it. Hunter, where's your ball? Let's go get it. Come on, Hunter. Belle, leave him alone. Now that we've got burrowing, good job, Hunter. Now we've got burrowing birds, not ones that go into the trees. So we have to watch out for this. Ready? You want one? Ready, Hunter? You're sitting funny. That was very slow. Maybe that was anticipation. Good catch. Like I said, we have to redirect. Those birds are very curious and very natural, and all the other stuff the dog's very interested in. I see them, Hunter. So I got to make the game very interesting for them so they don't always go for that. I'm not saying I'm going to play ball with them constantly, but I'm going to redirect them to do something more exciting so we can actually do things together. Belle, did you get your ball? Where is it? Go find your ball. You lost it. You got yours? Good boy. You got it. Yay. There it is, Hunter. Belle, out, please. Ready, Hunter? Whoa. Thank you, Wiley. Thank you, Barney. Belle, leave it alone. Out, please. Come on, let's stay over here. I don't mind if they're curious, but there's a lot of babies out here that I don't know where they're at, so. Ready, Wiley? You missed. Come help me find a ball. Come on, let's go get a ball. Wiley, where did it go? Everybody threw my balls away. I got no balls. Hunter, what'd you do with the ball? Belle, can you help me find him? Barney, you want to help me find the ball? This Hunter's taking them everywhere? Good. So there's one. Not the one that Wiley wants. But notice he knows if Hunter's interested in something, it might be what he wants. Thank you, Wiley. What did you find, Hunter? Let me see. You got the ball? Good boy. Thank you, Hunter. Is that the one? That's the one you wanted? Good. Hunter. Ready? Oh. Wiley. Belle. Barney. What do you think, Hunter? I see what you're doing. Ready, Wiley? Good. Belle. No birds, please. Thank you, Hunter. Last one. Good boy. You want to get it? You want to get it? You want to get it? Ah, oh, you missed. Oh, yeah? Hunter. Oh, I hit the tree. Maybe it's me. Belle. Out, please. Good, out. Now what I have to make sure is my communication is if you go over there, I call you back, you're going to get a treat. I want my communication to be to leave it alone. So if I see her leaving it alone. Last one, Wiley. Hunter, where'd they go? Wiley. Thank you. Good, leave it. Thank you. Did you find him? Hunter. Thank you. You ready? You pissed off the birds again. So they know. Good. Belle. I could get you! Come on, let's go over here. I gotta get you! I go get you! Hunter. 1, 2, 3 behind me. Where'd my mischievous one go? Belle. And see, this is hard because I've actually worked with Belle. Our teamwork is we go and find gophers together. Thank you, Belle. So in order to want her to leave it alone on something so natural and is this, Belle. Not this time. There's babies. Thank you. As a teacher that not only can we look together, but we actually can leave things alone. Belle, did you go potty? Leave it alone. Let's go. So another thing I can do, one of my cues. Come on, Belle, out. Oh, did you get stuck? Yeah, you went through the vines. Go. Go. Thank you. And guess what? Hunter, go. Belle, wait. Wait. Pendulum swing. Everybody else can go, but she can't. Thank you. Thank you. Where's your ball, Hunter? Ready? I see it. I can see it right through the bushes. Alright, you guys, let's go potty. Last one, Hunter. Ooh, that one right there. Ooh, that one right there. Ooh, that one right there. Good potty, Belle. Ooh, that one right there. Oh, yeah. You feel better? Oh, did Barney almost play with you? Go get him. Go get him. And of course, remember, interaction. When they're doing something you want, interact with them. Hunter's not in a weight. Only she is. Oh my God, she's so crazy. She's crazy. Oh, give me those legs. Give me those legs. Give me those legs. Give me those legs. Thank you. Thank you, Barney. Thank you, Wiley. Hunter's going pee. Wait, I have yours. One. Hunter has a ball that he's probably going to lose. Hunter, you got the ball? Very cute. Hi, Hunter. Everybody wait. Good job. Stop. Thank you, Hunter. All right. We're gonna go back in a minute. I gotta go find that ball. Come on, Wiley. You wanna help me find the ball? Belle, leave it alone. Good, leave it. There it is. There's two. I knew he would drop it. I'm just glad he didn't drop it out there. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Hunter, let's go get water. Let's go. Hunter, you want your stick? Good boy. It's better than the bird. Let's go. Wiley, what'd you find? I go get it. I go get it. I go get it. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Belle. That's it. We're done. Hey, where'd Hunter go? Wiley, what'd you find? Whatever it is making you drool. Oh, there he is. I couldn't see him. I couldn't hear him either. You better? Good. Wiley, leave it alone. Thank you, Barney. Alright, you guys. Let's go get some water. Bye, Hunter. You ready? So that was fun, dealing with birds, dealing with a dog that you actually have taught to hunt and hunt with you. I'm not saying hunting like we go shooting birds, but we hunt gophers, we hunt rats, we hunt mice. And we got a bunch of baby birds. We're already here playing, so we enjoy it. You ready? Hunter's gonna go get his zoomies and Wiley might join him. Barney's ready. Let's go get some water, you guys, and we'll go for a walk. I always say my itinerary so the dogs know. Thank you, Belle. There's Hunter. And there's Wiley. Thank you, Barney. Thank you, Belle. Thank you, Hunter. Hold on, everybody, stop. Hunter. Thank you, Barney. What's that? Bark. Good stop, Hunter. Wiley, what are you doing? Are you pooping? Good potty. Now you feel better? Yay, good job. So this is Scott with Second and 01 Canine Life Coaching, showing that even though there is distractions, a new distraction, how you handle those distractions in stressful situations can keep the dogs having fun, can keep the dogs engaged, and keep track of your communication. Belle, leave it alone. So this is Scott with Second and 01 Canine Life Coaching. Have a great day. Belle, stop. Thank you, Belle. Belle. Thank you. See how important the name is? How many times have you heard me say the dogs' names? This is Scott with Second and 01 Canine Life Coaching. Have a great day.